In this video, we will discuss about chapter 10 Heron formula. What is the chapter? Chapter 10 Heron's formula. So, in this chapter, we are having one formula, and this formula is used to find the area of a triangle. Clear? So, what about the triangle? What we want? We want to find area of a triangle. So, first we should know, to find the area of a triangle, what is a triangle? Triangle having three sides. How many sides triangle having? Triangle having three sides. Clear? And three angles. Triangle having three sides and three angles. Then we studied already different types of the triangles on the basis of sides. Types of triangles on the basis of sides. On the basis of sides, we are having three types of a triangle. Number one, equilateral triangle. What about the equilateral triangle? In the equilateral triangle, all sides of a triangles, all sides, triangle having three sides, AB, BC and AC, these all sides will be equal. Then that is called what? Equilateral triangle. Clear? Second type is that what? If a triangle is having two sides are equal. In a triangle we are having three sides. Out of these three, if two sides are equal, that triangle is called what? Isosceles. In this triangle, AB and AC both are equal. Two sides of this triangle are equal, then that is called what? Isosceles triangle. So first one is equilateral, second one is isosceles, and third one on the basis of sides of a triangle we are discussing types. So first one is equilateral triangle, second one is the isosceles triangle, and third one is scalene triangle. In the scalene, all three sides of a triangle will be different. All the three sides of a triangle will be different. In which we are having AB, BC and AC are three sides of a triangle, but all are unequal. AB is not equal to BC, BC is not equal to AC. Then that type of triangle is called what? Scalene. So three types of the triangles we are discussing: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. And we know our task to find the area. So what is the area of a triangle? How to define area? This is a triangle. This is what? These all are what? Triangles. ABC, this one and this one. These all are triangles. And what will be the area? So how we will define the area? First we should know the definition of the triangle. Definition of an area. So what is the area? The surface enclosed by the boundary of triangle. Triangle having three sides, AB, AC and BC. And these three sides, these three are straight lines and they are intersecting. This AB and AC intersecting at point A. This AB and BC is intersecting there, and this AC and BC is intersecting there. So they are straight line. They all are straight lines and they are intersecting. They are intersecting each other. This one is intersecting this one. This one is intersecting this one. This one is intersecting this one. Clear? They are intersecting. They are intersecting straight lines, and we are getting a what? The surface enclosed by the boundary of triangle, and we are getting a boundary. These sides, from these sides we are getting a boundary and area, surface enclosed by the boundary. Whatever area enclosed from these sides will be what? Area. So what is the area? Area will be surface enclosed by the boundary of triangle. We are having three sides, clear, and they all sides are making one boundary. It is a closed. So it is a closed. So AB, AC, and BC sides are making what? Boundary. And inside this we are having surface. That surface is called what? Area. So this triangle area is this one. So we want area of this triangle. So finding the area of a triangle, we are having some formula. By using these formula, we can find area easily. If in a triangle we are having height, we want to find the area of ABC. What? We are having triangle ABC. AB, BC, AC are three sides. Clear? And enclosed, they all sides are enclosed by the boundary. Enclosed, and we are getting this surface, and this surface will be what? Area. So we want area. So once we are having height of triangle, if we are having height of a triangle height is given, then we can find area of a triangle equal to half times of base into height. What will be the formula of area? Simple formula. If we are having height of a triangle, if height is given, then only we can apply this formula. If we are having height, then height into base into 1/2 into base into height. This is the height, and this is base. So multiplied both and multiplied with 1/2. So what is the area of a triangle? 1/2 into base into height. For this triangle, BC is a base, and A, this is the A. A is the name of this side. What is this? These are the, A is the name. This side is A, this side is B, and this side is C. This is, I am using D. So AD, what? AD is what? Perpendicular line. AD is the perpendicular line on BC. So this perpendicular line is showing what? Height of triangle. So once we are having height of a triangle, then we can say area of triangle. Directly we can find 1/2 into base into height. Simple formula we will apply. Base is BC, height is what? AD. Clear? So in this way we can also write this one. This will be what? 1/2 into, what is the base? Base is BC. And what is the height? Height is AD into height. So we will multiply by height. Height is AD. So we can use this formula. So what will be the area of this triangle? 1/2 into base into height. Base is this one and height one is this one. Once we are having like this triangle, and in the question we are having height, then we will draw diagram like this and we can easily find the area of a triangle. But we are having area of, we want the area of right triangle. We are having right triangle like this. In the right triangle we know well, one angle is what? 90 degree. This is the ABC, right angle, sorry, this is the C. Right angled at where? This one is right angled at B. So now this is a right triangle, both will be what? Acute angles. So this is what? Base. AB is the base. its height will be what? This one. This is the base. This will be what? Perpendicular, and this will be what? Hypotenuse. So area of a right triangle, once we are having right angled triangle, then its area will be what? 1 by 2 into base into perpendicular. What is the base? Whatever base we are having, AB is the base. So AB is the base. AB is the base. And what will be its perpendicular or height? We can say perpendicular is what? Height. So its height will be what? Perpendicular, and this is what? BC. This is what? BC. So by using these two formula, we can find what? We can find the area of a triangle. If we are having right triangle, then we can say area of a right triangle will be 1 upon 2 base into perpendicular. Base is this one, AB is the base, and BC is what? Perpendicular. If we are not having right triangle, but we are having height, we don't have what? Right triangle, but we are in the question we are having height. So then we will apply area of a triangle equal to 1 upon 2 base into height. Base is what? BC. Height is what? AD, and will be multiplied by 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into base into height will be area of a triangle if we are having height. If we are having right triangle, right angled triangle, then we will use 1 upon 2 base. Base is 1 upon 2 into base. Base is AB into height. Sorry, perpendicular. Perpendicular is the height. BC will be its perpendicular. So by using these two formulas, we can find the what? Area of a triangle. Now what will be the use of this one? Why this chapter having Heron's formula? Heron's formula. We are having chapter 10, Heron's formula. Heron's formula is also called what? Hero's formula. Both are same. Heron's formula and Hero's formula. Heron is the name of the scientist. What is this? Heron. Heron is the name of the scientist. Given one formula that is called Heron formula or Hero's formula. And this is the formula. Area of a triangle. This formula is used for what? Finding the area of a triangle. We already studied two formula for the area of a triangle. If we are having right triangle, then what will be the area of a triangle? This one will be the area of a triangle. If we are having height, then we can find the area from this formula. Then next one is area of a triangle by using Heron formula. These all, this one and this one area, right triangle or this one, any triangle, if we are having sides of any triangle, right triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, any types of the triangle, once we are having and we want to find the area, we can find by using Heron formula or Hero's formula. So this formula is used to find any types of the triangle's area. But area of a right triangle, it is used to find the area of a right triangle only. And this formula is used to find the area of a triangle once we are having what? Height of a triangle. If we don't have height, then what we will do? How we will find the area? Then this formula is very useful. What? This formula is very useful. This formula is used when we don't have the exact idea about height. If we are having height, then directly we will use this formula 1 upon 2 base into it. Why we use this one? This big formula. This is a smaller compared to this one. So we will use directly base and height multiplied by divided by 2. We will multiply base and height and divided by 2. We are getting the area. So then why we use this one? But if we don't have what? Height, then what we will do? We will require this formula. Then we will use this formula. And what is this formula? So when we use this one, when we don't have exact idea of a height, then we will use this one. And this is what area of a triangle is what? Square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Clear? So area of a triangle, once we are not having exact idea of a height, then we will use Heron's formula or Hero's formula, and area of a triangle will be this one. So there we are having what? Where s equal to what? Semi-perimeter. What is the meaning of s? S is semi-perimeter. First we should know perimeter. What about the perimeter? Perimeter is what? The sum of the lengths of three sides of a triangle. Sum of lengths of three sides of a triangle is called perimeter of a triangle. What? Sum of lengths of all three sides. In the triangle we are having three sides. Base per what? This and this one. Three sides. Triangles having three sides. Once we add all the sides, then we are getting sum, and that is called what? Perimeter. So perimeter, what is the perimeter? The sum of the lengths of the three sides of a triangle is called what? Perimeter of a triangle. So it's clear, we are discussing about Heron formula. It is used to find the area of a triangle. We are having other formula also to find the area of a triangle, but if we are having base, then if we are having height, base and height, if we are having, then we will use this formula. But we are not having base, we are not having height, but we are having right triangle, then this perpendicular will be the height. So then we will use 1/2 base into perpendicular, this formula. But we are not having any exact idea about the height, then we will use what? Heron formula. Clear? So in which s is what? Semi-perimeter, and perimeter is what? Sum of all sides of triangle. Sum of lengths of all sides of a triangle is called perimeter, and its half, perimeter's half will be what? Semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter is half of the perimeters of a triangle. Like this triangle is having three sides. This triangle ABC is one triangle. It is having three sides, A, B and C. Three sides it is having. Then perimeter is what? Its perimeter. We are having its length is A, its length is B, its length is C. We will sum all sides. A plus B plus C will be the perimeter. Perimeter is what? Sum of all the sides. So it is A unit, it is B unit, it is C units. The sum of these three sides, A plus B plus C, will be what? Perimeter. And semi-perimeter will be what? Half of this one. So S equal to semi-perimeter. So we will add all the sides, A plus B plus C, and divided by 2 will be what? Semi-perimeter. Clear? So in the questions, once we are having all sides, then we can find S, then we will put the values of the S, and we already having ABC, we will put their solve, and we will finally get what? Area of a triangle. So this is a easy way to we can find the area of a triangle. So what we are studying in this class, we are discussing about the area of a triangle. Normally if we are having height, then we can find the area by using these two formula. But we are not having any exact idea of a height, then we will use Hero's formula. Clear? And in which S is what? Semi-perimeter. It is what? Sum of the all sides divided by 2. Clear? And ABC are what? Sides of a triangle. And we study different types of the triangles also. Equilateral, all sides are equal. Isosceles, two sides are equal. And scalene is what? No one is equal. We are having three sides. If all are different to each other, then that is called what? Scalene. Clear? So I hope you understand these all things. That's all about this class. Thank you so much.